26th question. Same question, but what is the second technique? What is the question? To minimize, to reduce the total measurement error within the required accuracy range of a transducer activated system. What is the second technique that is used? What was the first technique? First technique was calibration, and what it was, using in place calibration with correction along, or no, not along, once again, using in place calibration and not and, it's with, not with, using in place calibration with, using in place calibration with correction and, not and, performed, using in place calibration with correction performed in data reduction. This calibration is done to minimize the effects of the ambient condition. That's it. That was the first point, or the first technique to minimize the total measurement error. Second point, it is monitoring. What does it mean? Simultaneously, oh my god, what is wrong with the pen? Simultaneously monitoring the environment and correcting the data accordingly. This monitoring is done to minimize effect of environmental conditions. Simultaneously correcting, monitoring, right? Second one is monitoring. So simultaneously monitoring the environment data and correcting accordingly. Oh, perfect. Simultaneously monitoring the environment and changing, okay, correcting, right? Correcting. Okay, so the second point is monitoring. Simultaneously monitoring the environment. That's it. Yep. Simultaneously monitoring the environment and correcting the data accordingly. That's it. This monitoring is done to minimize the effects of the environmental conditions. This monitoring is done to minimize the effects of the environmental condition. Obviously, because you are monitoring the environment, so you will reduce the environmental conditions only. Second technique to minimize the total measurement error is monitoring. Simultaneously monitoring the environment and correcting the data accordingly. Yes. This monitoring is done to minimize the effects of the environmental conditions. Yep, that's it.